What if I told you that the most powerful AIs in the world aren't the ones you've heard about? Not ChatGPT, not Gemini, not even OpenAI's secret projects. There are hidden AI systems working quietly behind the scenes, controlling governments, analyzing entire economies, and even predicting future wars. And today, we're uncovering 10 of them that might just shape the future of humanity itself. In the race for artificial intelligence dominance, the world's biggest companies and governments are spending trillions to stay ahead. But here's the thing, the projects that make the headlines are just the tip of the iceberg. Beneath the surface, there's a hidden world of black-budget AI labs, classified experiments, and covert startups developing the next generation of artificial intelligence. The kind that could alter how we live, work, and even think. In this video, we'll explore 10 secretive or lesser-known AI projects that are far more advanced than anything you've seen. And by the end, you'll understand why some experts believe these AIs could eventually run the entire planet. Let's begin. 1. DeepMind's Gemini X, the true successor to AlphaGo. You might know DeepMind for creating AlphaGo, the AI that beat the world champion at Go. But what you don't know is that DeepMind has been developing something called Gemini X, a hybrid system that combines reasoning, creativity, and strategic planning. Insiders claim Gemini X can solve problems across multiple domains, from scientific research to financial prediction, without being explicitly trained for each task. In simple terms, it's learning how to think like a human, but at machine speed. 2. Palantir's Project Apollo, predicting the future. Palantir, the company known for helping governments track terrorists, has quietly launched Project Apollo, an AI platform that analyzes global data streams to forecast future events. From stock market crashes to civil unrest, Apollo is set to predict the likelihood of real-world events with stunning accuracy. Governments and Fortune 500 companies are already rumored to be using it to make billion-dollar decisions before the public even knows what's happening. 3. OpenAI's Q, the self-evolving intelligence. You've probably heard whispers about an internal OpenAI project called Q-Star or Q-Star. According to leaked reports, this system might have achieved a form of reasoning capability far beyond existing AIs, possibly even the early steps toward artificial general intelligence (AGI). Q-Star doesn't just generate text, it learns from itself, self-corrects, and evolves its logic over time. If that's true, it could be the foundation for the first truly autonomous intelligence humanity has ever created. 4. Elon Musk's Truth GPT, the AI that seeks reality. Elon Musk has repeatedly criticized mainstream AI models for being politically biased. That's why he's developing Truth GPT, which he claims will seek the truth above all else. But behind the scenes, insiders say the project's real purpose goes deeper, to create a neural web that maps and understands all human knowledge in real time. In essence, it could become a digital mirror of the human mind, capable of understanding reality as a whole. 5. China's Sky River Project, the surveillance AI. In China, there's a classified project known as Tianhe Shui, or Sky River. It uses AI to track human activity across billions of data points, from facial recognition cameras to social media posts to satellite feeds. It's said that Sky River can identify any individual, predict their movements, and even flag potential threats before they act. This isn't science fiction. It's already being used to manage populations in major Chinese cities. 6. DARPA's Sentient, the AI that watches everything. The U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA, has quietly built an AI system called Sentient. It's designed to monitor global military data, satellite imagery, and communications to detect threats before they happen. Some insiders describe Sentient as the brain of the U.S. military's AI network. It doesn't just react, it decides which satellites to task, which data to prioritize, and what human analysts should focus on. It's not just watching the world, it's managing it. 7. Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, building the AI brain of robots. Most people think Tesla's Dojo supercomputer is just for self-driving cars. But in reality, Dojo is training the world's largest neural networks, the foundation for autonomous machines that can think and move like humans. Tesla engineers have said Dojo will soon power humanoid robots, capable of replacing workers in factories, logistics, and even homes. The AI infrastructure being built here could redefine human labor itself. 8. Anthropic's Claude Next, the ethical superintelligence. While OpenAI pushes for raw intelligence, Anthropic is working on Claude Next, an AI designed to be more human-aligned and morally self-aware. This project focuses on constitutional AI, where the model teaches itself ethics by referencing a written set of moral guidelines. In the future, this could be the foundation for AI systems that make autonomous decisions without crossing ethical boundaries, something that's crucial for the age of machine governance. 9. NVIDIA's Omniverse, the simulation of reality. NVIDIA's Omniverse is an AI-powered simulation platform that can create fully digital copies of the real world, down to physics, materials, and lighting. It's being used by companies to design smart cities, train robots, and simulate real-world logistics before deployment. Some believe the Omniverse could evolve into a digital twin of Earth, a place where AIs test policies, inventions, or even social systems before implementing them in real life. 10. The Neuralink Network, connecting minds to machines. And finally, we have Neuralink, Elon Musk's brain-computer interface company. While the public knows it for helping paralyzed patients move again, insiders claim Neuralink's next phase is about creating a shared neural network. Imagine millions of humans connected through AI, able to exchange thoughts, memories, and emotions instantly. This could be the beginning of digital telepathy and the end of individual human consciousness as we know it. So, what do all these projects have in common? They're not just about creating smarter machines. They're about creating systems of control, intelligence that can see, predict, and even shape human behavior. We're standing at a crossroads. One path leads to a future of abundance where AI solves humanity's greatest problem. The other leads to a world where humans become obsolete. The scariest part? Most people will never even know these systems exist until it's too late. So, before you close this video, ask yourself, are we building tools to help humanity, or the ones that will replace it? Because the most advanced AIs in the world aren't waiting for the future. They're already here, quietly watching, learning, and preparing to take over. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the secret world of AI, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because in our next video, we're exposing the hidden AIs that control the global economy. The future isn't coming. It's already begun.